wish, my dear.
If you'd make our plates.
Okay.
I'm gonna make our drink. It's gonna be a fresh strawberry fizz. And I'm putting 2 teaspoons of a super fine sugar in these. And I'm gonna put just a little hot water to dissolve that sugar. I'm gonna slice us a couple of strawberries. And I've got some fresh mint from the garden. And I'm gonna muddle that mint down into that drink.
Let me muddle your mint here, baby.
Muddle my mint, because I'm having no luck.
I learned this on tour.
Oh, you did? How to muddle?
I muddled your mint there.
All right, 2 strawberries a piece. And you can even muddle those, too.
All right.
There we go. Yum. Spring has sprung in our kitchen today, y'all. Ooh, that meatloaf looks mighty
Isn't it
fine.
Good? Oh, man, that looks
And
edible.
don't you love that trick with the bread?
That is amazing.
Yes.
I'm
you know
gonna do
what's
that.
even more amazing?
Yeah, I was gonna wait till your back was turned, but
How good is that? Kind of defeats the purpose, though, doesn't it? Okay, how's our muddling coming?
Well, I'm muddling through it here.
Okay, you muddling through it?
Yeah, well, it looks good.
Good. All right, now we're just gonna put some ice in it.
All right.
Oh, I love the way the strawberries look.
Do they look good?
Yes. Do you like these glasses?
I like them.
Thank you.
Look like moonshine.
I know. So I'm gonna top this off with our seltzer, Cheech. How pretty and refreshing does that look?
That says South.
Yes. Drinking out of an old fruit jar, honey. Cheers, baby.
Cheers, darling.
Yum. All right, slide it down and let's taste. Jump to.
That is good.
Yes.